Hi, and welcome to this episode of Empowering Your Job Search. My name is Soozy Miller. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisor Board and my company, Control Your Career. I am a certified behavioral analyst and an executive career coach. I work with executives who feel stuck in their situation. I coach executives to control their career by giving them tools and methodology to land their next awesome opportunity and then to control their overall career path until they don't want to work anymore. So recently, one of my colleagues put a posting on LinkedIn that applicants, if someone writing a resume, if you're looking for a job, you should put in the summary what kind of job you want, like what you're looking for. Now, as an executive, I really think you don't want to do this because as an executive, you have specific expertise that you bring to any company. And if you're saying in the summary what you'd like to do in general, what you'd like your next step to be, then you're kind of begging. It comes across as begging. And I know that you don't have to beg. You're an executive. You have experience. You've brought impact to the company. You brought in revenue. You've improved processes. You've accomplished a lot for the companies you've worked for. You've proven yourself. So you don't need to beg for anything. You don't need to request anything. You just want to make sure that your skills, that your leadership matches what the company needs at the moment. So you can look at it instead as using that summary to show and state why the company deserves your expertise and that how your skills, how your skill set, how your leadership impact match what the company needs. And then you state what you can do for them. Now, this is where the job posting comes in. I know I've talked about this before, but it's really important. Reading the job posting will give you the information or give you the information about what the company needs and wants from you, what their gaps are, what they're craving, what problems they're trying to solve. The job posting is your ultimate cheat sheet, and you want to use it so that your resume, specifically your summary, can address those needs, can fill those gaps, can solve those problems. So don't just go blindly into this is who I am and this is what I want and please take me kind of thing. Again, you're an executive. You have expertise. You have experience. You have specific leadership skills and you've given companies a lot of benefits. Use that information when you apply to the job. You command a certain salary, you command a certain amount of influence, and you want to use that to be able to show the company what you can do for them. That is going to make your job search a lot easier, a lot faster, and it will get you to a position that really suits you better. So thank you for watching today's episode of Empowering Your Job Search. I hope this was helpful to you and your career. If you need further information, just click on the link in the description and I'll be glad to talk to you further about all of this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so you get valuable daily updates. I'll talk to you soon.